Welcome. This is Marianne Cusell. If you're struggling with anxiety, if you're struggling with depression, if you're going through a major change or wish life was different, then listen up. I've got the most amazing group, Esoteric Meditation for Beginners, starting soon online. It's donation only. So what are you going to experience here? Here, I do a lot of attention training. Now, and neuroscience has proven our attention spans about less than 7 seconds now because of our devices. So we can get caught up unconsciously in this world of stress, this world of separation, loneliness, pain, all of these things. And it all comes from this mass disconnection to ourselves, our being. And when people try and meditate, their thoughts are just all over the place. So I've downloaded an incredible way. And with all the training that I've done, I can bring this into your beautiful essence of yourself so you can have mastery over your presence, learning how to be present in the body. And we're going to clear anything that's upsetting you at the time. Every week we land in the same spot on a Sunday in Australia at 10 a.m. on Zoom, and in US Saturday evenings, 30 minutes of your time, donation only. Check out the links, come along. Oh my God, your life will change and you'll feel amazing. Much love to you.